DPS Teleclass.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to DPS Teleclass. Today, your Bindu Miss is here with English lessons. Before starting today's lessons, let's recite our dua.
قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Dear students, today we are going to learn about how to change sentence in present tense into past tense. Right? Let's look at our success criteria today. I will be successful if I am able to change sentence in present tense into past tense. Hello students, how are you? Previous week we learned about present tense, right? We made chicken noodles. You wrote the steps about how to make it. But while writing sentences, you have to keep some points in your mind. Say, first one, begin all sentences in capital letters. I am telling you, you have to start the sentences with capital letters in the beginning. Okay, don't forget this. Always some students are forgetting and they are writing they are starting the letters sentences in small letters. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to start each and every sentence in capital letter. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you is you have to put a full stop at the end of each sentence. Okay, right? Don't forget this. You have to put full stop at the end of the sentence and you have to start the sentence with capital letter. Okay, don't forget this. You must follow these rules while writing English. Got it? Okay. Once again, I am reminding you about present tense. Present tense means an action that is currently going on. Right? It is an action that is currently going on. For example, what are you doing now? You are watching teleclass. This is present tense. Right? Now, let's move to our today's topic. What is our today's topic? Past tense, right? We are going to discuss about an action that has happened in the past. What is this past tense? Past tense. In past tense, we will write sentences and which shows an action that has happened in the past. Okay. Right. Dear students, here are some examples of sentences in past tense. Okay, just listen here. See the first sentence, read it. I slept at 10 p.m. yesterday. What is written here? I slept at 10 p.m. yesterday. Here, slept is the verb which is in past tense. Do you know the present tense of present form of slept? Sleep. Okay. And when it happened? Yesterday. Okay. It's not today. It is yesterday. I slept at 10 p.m. yesterday. It occurred in the past. Next, she went to Malé previous week. When did she go to Malé? She went to Malé previous week, not today, not this week. Previous week. Okay, she went. Here, which is the verb here? Yeah, went. Can you say the present form of went? Go. Yeah, right. She went to Malé previous week. This is also a sentence in past tense. Okay. See the next example. John sold his car last year. John sold his car last year. Which is the verb used here in past tense? Sold. Sold is the verb used here. Can you say the present form of sold? Can you guess? Sell. S-E-L-L. S-E-L-L. Sell. Okay. John sold his car. When did he sell his car? He sold his car last year. Last year. See, all these happened in the past. Students, listen here. See, here you can see some helping verbs in present tense. What? Helping verbs in present tense and their past form. Okay. Which are the helping verbs used here? Is, am, are, do, does. Okay. Can you say some other examples of helping verbs? Yeah. Was, were, did, has, have, had, will, would, may, might, must, can, could. All these are helping verbs. Okay. May I repeat this? The helping verbs. Often you are using all these things in sentences. Helping verbs are is, are, was, were, do, does, did, has, have, had, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must. All these are helping verbs. Okay. These are helping verbs. Right? Okay. Now just listen to the table. Just look at the table. The present form of the present, what is the past form of is? Was. Past form of am is? Was. Are, were. See the change? Is and am, the same past form. Okay. What is the past form here for is and am? Was. Good. What is the past form of are? Were. Okay. See, the past form of do and does, they are the same. Which is that? Did. Right? Okay. Students, when I am reading all these things, you have to repeat with me, okay? Then only you should be able to understand all these things, okay? Fine. Now, the past form of has and have. What is the past form of has and have? Tell me. It's had. Okay. Has, have. Past form is had. Okay. Right. Now, some other verbs are here. See the difference. Walk, jump, smile. All these verbs are main verbs. Okay. And the rest of others is am, are, has, have. All these are helping verbs. But this walk, jump, smile, all these are main verbs. Okay. Fine. Now tell me. Now just read. What is the past form of walk and walks? Both have the same past form, walked. Okay. What is the past form of jump or jumps? Jumped. Okay, right? Just tell me the past form of smile or smiled. Smiled. Right? Any problem? It's easy. Okay. Look at these verbs. See? What is the past form of pray and praise? Both have the same past form. Just tell me, read it. Prayed. P-R-A-Y-E-D. Prayed. What is the past form of play and plays? Plays spelling, just look at the spelling of plays. P-L-A-Y-S, plays. What is the past form? Yeah, it's played. P-L-A-Y-E-D, played. Okay, right. Now just read it. The past form of buy or buys. Bought. Buy or buys. Bought. What is the past form of drink? Drinks. What is the past form? Drank. Now tell me, what is the past form of eat or ate? Or eat or eats? It is ate. Right? Understand? Listen to this table. Just look at here. Yeah, the past form of come and comes. Both have the same past form. What is the past form? Came. Don't think that for making a past tense verb you have to use ed every time. No. Okay. So many changes are there. See. And for what is the past form of bring and brings? Brought. The past form of buy and buys? Bought. See, both are not same. Brought, bought. What is the past form of sleep and sleeps? It is slept. Slept. Sleep, slept. Sleeps, slept. Same. What is the past form of sit and sits? It is sat. Sit, sat. Sits, sat. Same. Understand? Actually, after doing all these things, you have to convert the sentence. Convert the sentence in present tense into past tense. For converting the sentence from present to past, you have to change the verb. Change the present form of verb into past form of verb. Okay. So you should be able to know the difference in these two, present and past. Okay. Listen here. Feel or feels. What is the feel or feels? What is the past form? Felt. Right? Next, which is the next verb used here? Hear. Hear or hears. The past form is heard. Next verb, forget. Forget, forgets. What is the past form? Forgot. Okay. While I am reading all these things, you have to repeat with me. Okay. So listen here. Run or runs. What is the past form? Ran. Next, study or studies. The past form is studied. Got it? Read this next sentence, the next verb. Make or makes. What is the past form? Made. Next verb is give. Give and gives. Both are in present tense. Give and gives. Okay, one is singular and the other one is plural. Okay, so what is the past form of give or gives? Gave. G-A-V-E. Gave. Give. Gave. Gives. Gave. Okay, right? Next verb. Which is the next verb used here? Look here. Yeah, go. Go. Goes. These two are in present tense. Go and goes are in present. Don't think that go is present tense and goes is past tense. Go and goes both are in present tense. Fine. And what is the past form of go and goes? Went. See the difference in spelling. W-E-N-T. Went. Okay, just look at the next verb. What is the next verb used here? See. See. Sees. These are in present tense and its past form is saw. Okay. So, next verb. Which is the next verb used here? Know. It is not kono. Okay. K is silent here. Know or knows. What is the past form of these two? Knew. Okay, here don't say knew. Okay, K is silent, so you have to read it as knew. No, knew. Knows, knew. Right? Just look at the table. Can you see some change in the present and past form other than the other tables? See the present and past form. Puts. They have the past form put. That means put. Puts. Put. Cut. Cuts. Past form is cuts. Heard. Huts. Heard. Shut. Shuts. Past form is shut. It is not shutted. Okay, shut. Hit. Hits. The past form is hit. And now you know, actually you know when to use this, when to add this s and when to omit this s. Okay, in verbs. I put, he puts, you cut, they cut. Understand? In this way the verb will change, right? That we have already discussed in our previous class. Here some examples are given. You have to change the tense. Present form of the tense is given. The sentence in present tense is given. You have to change the sentence into past form. Okay. For changing the sentence into past form, you have to only change the verb. Okay. So you have to first point out the verb in the sentence and then change the verb form into past tense. Right? Just read the first sentence. What is written there? It is in present tense. The caterpillar becomes a butterfly. The caterpillar. Read with me. The caterpillar becomes a butterfly. What is the verb used here? Tell me. Becomes. Becomes is the verb. Okay. For changing it into past tense. For changing the sentence into past form, what you have to do is you have to change the verb into past form. Okay. So you should be able to know what is the past form of this becomes. Okay. If it is become or if it is becomes, the past form is became. Understand? So just see the change in the sentence. The caterpillar became a butterfly. Got it? See the next example. Read it. My mother tells me a story. This is a sentence in present tense, right? My mother tells me a story. Why this is a sentence in present tense? Because the verb used here is in present tense. Okay. What is the verb used here? Tells. Tells. It is in present tense. When you are going to change it into past tense, you have to change the verb. You have to know, you should know the past form of tells. What is the past form of tells here? It is told, right? So how it changed the sentence? Just look. My mother told me a story. So the first sentence was in present tense. My mother tells me a story. Now it became past. My mother told me a story. Got it? Understand? Right. See the next sentence. Read it. I drink milk in a small cup. I drink milk in a small cup. Okay, this is a sentence in present tense. Understand? Which is the verb used here? It is drink. Drink is the verb used here. For converting it into past tense, for changing it into past tense, what you have to do is you have to change the verb into past form. Okay, what is the past form of drink? Tell me. It is drank. So the sentence becomes, I drank milk in a small cup. This is the sentence in past tense. I drank milk in a small cup. Right? See our next sentence. She lives in a small house. Small house. This is a sentence in present tense. Okay. Why? The verb used here is lives and it is in present tense. And do you know the past form of lives? Do you know it? Lived. Hence we can change the sentence into she lived in a small house. Okay, this way you have to change the tense. See the next sentence. I'm early for the gym. I am early for the gym. Normally we read it as I'm early for the gym, not I am. But here we can say, because we have to locate the verb also. Okay. So which is the verb used here? It is a helping verb am. Am is a helping verb used here. But you know the past form of this helping verb am. What is the past form of this helping verb? Can you say? Yeah, what it is? Was. I was early for the gym. Okay. How it changed? I was early for the gym. Got it? See the next example. We eat lunch around noon. Around noon. Noon means at 12 o'clock. Okay. Yeah. We eat lunch around noon. Which is the verb used here in present tense? Yeah, you know it very well. It is eat. E-A-T, eat. Okay, for changing the tense into past tense, you should know the past form of this eat. Isn't it? Yeah. What is the past form of eat? Ate. A-T-E. Ate. Okay. Now, see the change in the tense, see the change in the sentence also. We ate lunch around noon. We ate lunch around noon. No other changes. So, okay. You have to change the verb only. See the last example. She finishes her homework before dinner. Before dinner. Dinner means meal at night, isn't it? She finishes her homework before dinner. What is the verb used here? Finishes. So for changing the tense into past form, you have to change this verb finishes. Okay. So what is the past form of finishes? Tell me. It is finished. Understand? Hence the change. Hence the sentence become. The sentence becomes. She finished her homework before dinner. Okay. She finished her homework before dinner. While I am reading all these sentences, you have to repeat with me. Understand? Yes, students. Now it is the time to evaluate. Get ready for that. Okay? See, all these things we learned is about simple past tense. Okay, simple past tense. So our task is rewrite the entire paragraph by changing the verbs in bracket into past simple tense or simple past tense. This is the question. And what do you understand from this? See, a paragraph is given there. You have to change the verb given in bracket into past tense. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to write in very beautiful handwriting in your English notebook. Okay, write that paragraph first, and then you have to write the answers in the dotted line. Fine. But whenever you are taking a photo of your work, it should be clear. Okay. And after that you have to write your name and class and section, all these things. Understand? So what you have to do is, a paragraph is given there and you have to copy the paragraph into your English notebook in a very beautiful handwriting, and on that dotted lines you have to write the answers. Okay, got it? Fine. Listen here. I am going to read this paragraph for you. Okay. So first of all you have to read with me. Listen here. It dash is a beautiful morning. I am sitting on my balcony and sipping my ginger tea. The birds are chirping and the sun is shining. I am feeling quite happy. Suddenly, I hear a shriek from the kitchen. I hurriedly go into the kitchen and see my brother lying on the floor as he slept. I ask him, "Are you hurt?" He says, "No." I can no longer control my laughter. I laugh loudly. He gets angry, picks up a tomato and throws it at me. He begins to laugh loudly when he sees tomato juice on my face and hair and in my tea. My mother comes into the kitchen and looks at the mess. She gets angry and hands up mops to clean the entire kitchen. Understand? Now I am going to read it once again for you. Listen here. What you have to write is, you have to write the past form of these verbs given in brackets. For example, it dash within bracket it is. So you have to write the past form of is in that dotted line, on that dotted line. So okay, what is the past form of is? You know the past form. So you have to write it was. Just like you have to write all the other answers. Understand? Now I am going to read it once again. Just listen here, students. It is a beautiful morning. I am sitting on my balcony and sipping my ginger tea. The birds are chirping and the sun is shining. I am feeling quite happy. Suddenly, I hear a shriek from the kitchen. I hurriedly go into the kitchen and see my brother lying on the floor as he slept. I ask him, "Are you hurt?" He says, "No." I can no longer control my laughter. I laugh loudly. He gets angry, picks up a tomato and throws it at me. He begins to laugh loudly when he sees tomato juice on my face and hair and in my tea. My mother comes into the kitchen and looks at the mess. She gets angry and hands up mops to clean the entire kitchen. Got it? Okay. Do your homework and Viber to me in time. Don't be late. Okay? Thank you. Let's look at our success criteria today. I will be successful if I'm able to change sentence in present tense into past tense.
Thank you for attending today's teleclass. I think you are very much familiar with doing these answers. So you have to do it neatly and send to me on time. Okay? Any doubt? No. So now stay safe, stay home and be happy. Thank you everyone.
EPS Teleclass